So here we have our familiar Newired launcher that has been deployed over a common Polarion dashboard. But this time it came with a AI button that leads me to our brand new AI assistant. So the AI assistant can understand natural language questions and retrieve answers from two main sources. First, from the on-screen guides you've already seen in Newired, the so-called journeys, and second, from any knowledge base available within your organization that has been previously integrated in Newired. Let me show how it works. So let's imagine I'm new to Polarion and I want to learn how to create my first project. So I'll simply ask to the assistant, how do I create my first project? So the assistant now provides the relevant Newired guides, the journeys. In this case, I have one journey that has been created to teach me how to create my first project. But additionally, I also find those links that will bring me to the related article stored in the Polarion knowledge base. So, for example, I will click here now on this create new project link, and I will be automatically redirected to the knowledge base articles that speaks about creating a new project. So from here, without basically losing my flow, so directly in another tab, I can read all the information related to creating a new project. I can, if I want, I can keep browsing the knowledge base uh, to get some other information about getting started with Polarion. And when I'm done, I can just close my tab and jump back to my workflow. But the assistant can also do something more. So I show you that it is also able to summarize the key content for the user when that's possible. So let's now pretend that I want to understand more about work items in Polarion. So I'll just ask, tell me about work items. So this time the assistant will again fetch information in the knowledge base integrated with Newired, but we will also provide me with a brief summary about work items, so I can really uh, get started from the assistant itself. So here I have, as you can see, the basic information about what work items are, and from here then I can decide where to go and what to learn more about work items. So for example, I want now that I know what work items are, I want to check which kind of work items do exist in Polarion, and so here I can directly jump into the dedicated article in the knowledge base to explore the work item types. So basically here we have two approaches. The first one is to search for the related journey, the on-screen guide provided by Newired, when that's available. But if there is no journey created for my question, for my query, the assistant will provide information out of the knowledge base. So uh, you can also integrate even multiple sources at once and many kind of knowledge bases into Newired. So imagine the power of unlocking and breathing new life into basically all your corporate knowledge, no matter where it's stored or where it's scattered around. Everything can converge here in this assistant and consumed by your end users uh, quickly and inside, directly inside their flows, their workflows.